Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share products link on Amazon. So make sure you watch the video till the end, and now without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your preferred web browser and head to Amazon website. Now, once you're in the website, make sure you're logged into your account and then choose the product. Once you choose the product, now to send the link of the product, simply click here. Now here, you can click on the icon beside share button to copy the link, and we have successfully copied the link. Now you can send this link to your friends, family, and that's how we can share our product links on Amazon. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.